Your furniture selections make a big impact on design. So I'm stopping by the showroom of another designer, Augusta Tapia, to talk about how she approaches that with homeowners and our next tip, select a signature piece. Well, I'll tell you, I just love your showroom. I had no idea there was so much stuff to choose from for the house.
Oh, absolutely. We have to keep a good selection because you know these wives, they're picky and they want lots of lamps to choose from. They want beautiful pillows and mirrors and lots of accessories. So we try to keep a lot of those things that are special for them.
I just think about the challenges you must have when you go out to someone's home, and of course everybody has different taste, and then you're bound to run into someone that just has something that they can't get rid of. Maybe it's a family piece, sentimental piece, or just something that they recently bought. How do you design around that?
You have to take special pieces like that into consideration when you design a room, and sometimes it's not necessarily finding the place in the room that it's currently located, it's finding the correct room in the house for it to go in, where it has the best use and goes with the decor in that particular room. So working around a signature piece is always a really challenging thing, but a good thing. And you have to remember that the furniture finishes in a room don't all have to match. You can use dark wood pieces of furniture with lighter wood pieces. Actually blending things is much more interesting than you trying to think that you have to match everything.
Well, that would be the first thing that I would think of is, you know, if you're using this in a room, you got to have something over there, the end table or whatever, that matches it. And you're saying just the opposite.
An eclectic look is really good.
Yeah.
I mean, that makes people happy to be able to do something that's a little bit different than what their friends have. And when you blend things together, you get that special look, which is really good.
And maybe you don't get tired of it as much. Because you hear people say, you know, I have the same old thing, it's kind of boring. But with throwing a little bit of an eclectic kind of a feel to it, I guess you like it a lot longer.
And things like that give you the opportunity to be able to rearrange your house periodically, which makes it be a lot more interesting, and you don't get tired of things as easily.